Hello, and welcome to a video for Grade 12 Essential Math on the second part of mortgages. In this one, we're going to look at the first month's interest, which is something that you'll be asked to calculate fairly frequently because this is one way to look at how much interest you're actually paying on a month-to-month basis. So let's take a look at the formula to start off with. When you're looking at a mortgage, you're calculating your interest and it's compounding every month. However, on a monthly basis, if I'm looking at only 1 month, I can use the simple interest formula because that's an easy way to look at it. So the simple interest formula, which you learned in grade 11, is I equals PRT. I is the interest, P is the principal, which we know from calculating the mortgage, R is the rate, the interest rate. You'll need to convert that to a decimal. And be careful, that is the interest rate. T, in this case, is always going to be 1 divided by 12, which is 1 month. T is usually in years, but we're only looking at 1/12 of a year because we're only doing this for 1 month at a time. In fact, with this question, you should only use this formula if you see the keywords first month in the question. As you go through this, you're going to say, hey, I need to calculate for 1 month only the interest, then you can use this formula. If it's total interest, you cannot use this formula. So let's take a look at an example where how we can use this. So here we go. We have someone who's purchased a house. He's a mortgage with an interest rate. So it says interest rate right away. I know that is my R value. And an opening balance of $98,000. That is the starting amount. And that's going to be my principal. The opening balance or starting amount or the amount borrowed or principal, these all mean the same thing. Now it says calculate the interest on his first monthly mortgage payment. That first here is the big key. This is only 1 month we are looking at, so I can use I equals P times R times T. I can use that formula. I have P, I have R, and I have T already because I know this is 1 month. So let's start plugging things in. My interest is $98,000. That's my principal. The rate, 3.5%, is 0.035. Make sure that you convert that to a decimal correctly, right? You need to divide by 100. And my time is 1 divided by 12 because that's 1/12 of a year is 1 month. So in this case, I'm going to use this formula. I'm going to plug that into my calculator. Be careful, multiplying all the way through. And I'm going to get $285.83. Make sure that you're doing this on your calculator correctly. In fact, I'd probably pause the video right now, try it on your calculator to make sure that you're getting it right. Please note, money needs 2 decimals. And make sure that you are rounding correctly. And as well, I'm going to say, don't forget your units. Things to remember as you go through these questions. Now let's take a look at the second part. This is how much money he's paying in the first month to the bank. So this goes straight to the bank in interest on his first month. Now let's take a look here. It says his monthly mortgage payment is $875.90. So this is how much he's paying for his mortgage each month. In the first month, that much goes to the bank. That's important to know. How much of his first month's payment will go towards the unpaid balance? So when I have a mortgage payment, so if I have my payment, part of that payment gets split off to interest. The rest of that payment goes to paying off the balance. So I'm taking part of the payment, giving it to the bank in interest. part of the payment goes to paying off the loan, reducing the amount I have left to pay. What I can do in this case is go the $875.90 is how much he is paying each month. If I subtract the $285.83 from that, I end up with $590.07. And that is how much he actually is paying off towards the unpaid balance. The $285.83 goes to the bank and interest. $590.07 goes to paying off his balance. This is an important way to understand how mortgages work and how much you actually get to pay off each month and how much goes to the bank and interest. Hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in the next video.